Hello learners, welcome to our virtual learning class. Today we have mathematics, and the topic for today's lesson is multiplication. Okay? Good. In our previous lesson we talked about what? Volume and what? Capacity. I will learn that volume is amount of liquid, or capacity is amount of liquid a container can do what? Can hold. Okay? Good. So today we are going to talk about multiplication, or we are going to learn about multiplication. But before we continue, let's look at the objective for today's lesson. So at the end of the lesson today, we should be able to understand the concept of what? Multiplication. Okay? At the end of today's lesson, we should be able to understand the concept of multiplication. Good. Let's look at our keywords. We have multiplicand, we have multiplicand, we have multiplier, and we have product. Okay, good. Now, when we are talking about multiplication simply means continuous addition. Okay, you understand as we try to look at the concept of what? Multiplication. Okay, you understand what we mean by what? Continuous addition as multiplication. Okay, good. Now let's look at when we say multiplicand. What do we mean? We mean the number we are multiplying. Okay, multiplicand is a number we are multiplying. Okay, is a multiplicand, and the multiplier is the number by which we are multiplying the number with. Okay, for example, let's say we are multiplying Kofi with Ama. Now Kofi is what? A multiplicand, and Ama is a multiplier. Okay. Now the answer we get after multiplying Kofi by Ama is what we call the product. Okay. So in an examination or in a question, they can ask you to find the product instead of find the multiplication. Okay. Instead of multiply, they can ask you to find the product. Good. Okay. So multiplication and what? Product are the same. Okay. Good. Now, let's look at this example. When we look at 2 times 4, will give us 8. So the 2 is the multiplicand and the 4 is the what? The multiplier. And the answer we get here is what? The product. Okay? The answer we get here is the product. Good. Now let's look at some few examples on the concept of what? Multiplication. We have here 2 times what? 5. 2 times 5. The multiplicand is what? 2 and the multiplier is what? 5. Now we are looking for the product. Okay? We are looking for what? The product. Okay? So in this, we are saying that multiplication is what? Continuous addition. We are saying that multiplication is what? A continuous what? Addition. Okay? So now let's look at this. So over here, it means that two groups of 2, okay, you are going to multiply it by what? By 5, okay. So we have a group which contains two objects times what? 5, okay. So that particular group is going to be 5 times. So let's look at, we have 1. This is the first group. So this is the second group. This is the third group, the fourth group, and the fifth group, okay. Now we are saying that multiplication of continuous addition. So when we continue to add this, this will give us the product or the answer. Okay, good. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 2 times 5 gives us what? 10. The same way, we are trying to look at the concept of multiplication, okay? To understand the concept of multiplication. The same way, now we are multiplying 2 by what? 5. So you draw your 2 rows like this. When you are using a straw, you draw your 2 lines like this. That is your multiplicand, okay? Which is 2. Now the multiplier is what? 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Now, we are going to count the joints. Okay, only the joints. Okay, we are going to count only the joints. Okay, good. So let's look at it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you see that we have the same answer here when we continue to add. Okay, good. Let's move on to what? The next example, which is what? 4 times what? 6. 4 times 6. So let's use the rule. We have what? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are multiplying it by what? By 6. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always we count only the joints, okay? We count only the joints. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay? The same way we are using the continuous addition or the grouping method too. We are also going to get the same one, 24. Okay, good. Let's continue with the next one, is on 9 times what? 8. 9 times 8. In this, we are going to draw the multiplicand is what? 9. So we are going to draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Now times what? 8. So we start. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then what? 8. Good. Now let's count the gen. We always count the gen. Okay. Don't forget, we are not counting the boxes, but we are counting the joints. Okay. Now, so let's start. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Okay, so now we have 9 times 8 given what? 72. 72. Okay, good. Now let's continue with the next example. The next example here is 7 times 4. 7 times 4. Okay, we can use the grouping method or still use the line. Okay, so we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 4. This is the multiplicand. Okay, it's 7. The multiplier is what? 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to count only the joints, okay, not the boxes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, good. So the product of what? 7 times 4 is what? 28. 20 what? 28. Okay, 28. Good. Now, I would like you to try this for me. Quickly. Try this one quickly for me. Okay? Use the same method or the concept. Okay? Good. I hope you get the answer correct, which is what? 36. Is that right? Good. Okay. So with this concept, we'll bring today's lesson to what? An end, and until we meet again. Have a nice day. Bye.